I'm Clinton Griffiths. On Thursday, the Make America Healthy Again Commission released its much-awaited report about chronic illnesses in America's children. As we've been reporting, many in the ag community were concerned what that report would say about agriculture and its tools like glyphosate. Ag's Michelle Rook joins me. Michelle, many folks in agriculture are happy with the report, others not so much.
That's right, Clinton. Ag groups are blasting the report, saying it contains recommendations that are not based on sound science and which advance the agenda of activist groups trying to undermine U.S. agriculture. They also say the findings are even more troubling after HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. falsely assured members of Congress that there's not a single word in the report that should worry the American farmer. Ag groups like ASA say the MAHA report will harm U.S. farmers, increase food costs for consumers, and worsen health outcomes, adding the data is unscientific and damaging to consumer confidence in America's safe, reliable food system.
I mean, it just seemed to be a lot of, negative rhetoric and just fear-mongering tactics, so to speak, not based in sound science at all, and that's what we've asked for the entire time.
Farmers agree the MAHA report is misleading, suggesting glyphosate, atrazine, and other pesticides essential to farmers are potentially contributing to health ailments.
They're very effective herbicides, also very safe. Glyphosate's one of the safest ones for us to work with. So we need to make sure that we're keeping these tools.
The EPA reviews these herbicides, and we have long been considered the gold standard when it comes to food safety in the world. And, there's been many studies that have shown the safety of glyphosate. And this is public data as well as private data.
ASA is also disturbed the report implies seed oils are contributors to reduced human health. Decades of research show they're low in saturated fats and can improve chronic disease.
We're backed by the American Heart Association. We have the data to prove that oil seeds are safe and are a huge part of that pipeline, and we need to make sure that we keep them in that pipeline.
The executive order creating the MAHA Commission directs that a second report be issued within 80 days, providing policy recommendations. And ASA is asking President Trump to correct the Commission's misguided report.
Help us out, be a friend to farmers that he said, and defend our livelihood, defend our what we do, and help us to show that this is 100% based on science what we're doing, and we've still got the safest, most affordable food supply in the world.
I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.